Hey everybody, I'm just going to do a quick live shot up here on this rooftop. Pet screens. We don't get a lot of them, so that's the reason why I wanted to show you this. Of course, the window screen in front of me here is just a standard fiberglass. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Obviously, it keeps the flies, mosquitoes, and such outside. To the left, I just installed the pet screen, which does the same thing as far as bugs, insects, things like that. But this is a material that if you have a cat, or even a dog, I guess, those little claws are going to have a hard time getting through that. Especially for the kitty cat, might want to jump out and chase a bird around. And I know it's a little difficult to tell in the video shot, but that fiberglass has really started to rot and it's about ready to fall apart there. And I just finished this window to my right, and I just definitely wanted to showcase pet screen. I love it. Beautiful pet screen. And it does have a little heat reflection. Seems like maybe 50%, if that. I don't quote me on that. I'd have to verify that, but that was all I wanted to show you. Pet screen versus fiberglass. Not good for the kitty cat claws, not a problem. You guys be blessed.